Bonjour. Alors, comme d'habitude, nous allons écouter un dialogue entre, cette fois-ci, une touriste française et un local anglais dans un café à Londres. Écoutez bien, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Je vous pose deux questions après le dialogue.
Lost in translation. Scene: a small cafe in London. Emma, a French tourist, is struggling to understand the menu. She turns to Daniel, an English local, who is sitting at the table next to her.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you, but could you help me with something?
Of course. What do you need help with?
Well, I'm trying to order breakfast, but I don't understand some of the items on the menu. What is a full English breakfast?
A full English breakfast is a traditional meal. It includes eggs, bacon, sausages, baked beans, tomatoes, mushrooms, toast, and sometimes black pudding.
Black pudding. What is that?
It's a type of sausage made with blood and oatmeal. It sounds strange, but some people love it.
Oh, I think I'll skip that part. But the rest sounds delicious. Thank you for explaining.
No problem. And if you want something lighter, you could try porridge or a simple toast with jam.
That's good to know. By the way, do you happen to know if they serve oat milk here? I don't drink regular milk.
Let's see.
He looks at the menu.
Yes, they have oat and almond milk. You just need to ask the waiter.
Great. You've been really helpful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
I will. Oh, and one last thing. Could you recommend a nice place to visit nearby?
Absolutely. If you like history, the British Museum is not too far. And if you prefer something more relaxing, Hyde Park is a great place to walk around.
That sounds perfect. Thanks again, Daniel.
Anytime, Emma. Have a wonderful day.
Très bien, maintenant que vous avez entendu, vous avez bien prêté attention au dialogue, c'est à vous de jouer. Vous allez me répondre dans les commentaires à ces deux questions. La première, que contient un full English breakfast? C'est en fonction du dialogue que vous venez d'entendre que vous allez répondre à la question que contient un full English breakfast. OK. La deuxième question, c'est que recommande Daniel à Emma de visiter? Quels endroits Daniel recommande-t-il à Emma de visiter? Écrivez-moi, répondez-moi tout ça dans les commentaires et je vous dis à la semaine prochaine. Take care.